Hi guys, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about China tourist visa if you want to apply from India. And just to let you know, we have very good option now available as per all of your demands, because we were getting a lot of messages, comments that you need China sticker visa, and that is also short. Short means you don't want any kind of rejection. That means you want zero rejection and your visa should be approved 100% and you need a guarantee from us. So guys, here we are with the video with the full explanation, full detail, what documents need, what is the pricing, everything in today's video. We will guide you with the full process. So guys, to understand the full process of the China tourist visa from India, and that is also short, you need to watch full video, because then only you will understand the process, the full detail of this visa. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh and I am the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide you exceptional visa services, hotel, flights, everything you need in just one call or WhatsApp, or you can visit our office also. So guys, please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, as you know, we are talking here about the China short visa. Means there is no rejection and 100% guarantee from Akira Travels. So let me tell you first of all the processing time of this short visa. See, it will take just 5 to 6 working days, and if I tell you maximum, it can take up to 1 week, but not more than that. So within 4 to 5 days you will get the passport, that is also on the sticker visa on it. Now when I talk about the validity of this sticker visa of China, you will get approximately 30 days of validity. Like you will get 30 days to travel in China and come back. Like after that you cannot travel, so you will have 30 days validity only to stay in China. Now when I talk about the documents, see, let me tell you first the documents required for the normal process of China tourist visa from India. So it's a normal process like passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card copy, bank statement, ITR and NOC, all of these things required. But here we are talking about the short visa, so don't worry, all of these things are not required. We just need your original passport size photo, that's it. These two documents, send it to us, rest we will take care everything. Now you will tell me, Yogesh bhai, how we will send you original passport? See, you can send it to us by courier as well. And now if you will be worried that how we can trust, sir, just type Google Akira Tourism. You will get to know our feedbacks, our reviews, since how long we are working in this industry. Or better, do one thing, come to our office, we will show you like how many passports we are handling at a single point of time. So it's not just like, you know, we are coming and making video. Just check about our history, then you will get to know. So don't worry about your passport is as much as valuable to us like or it's valuable to you. So don't worry about this. So we just need your original passport and passport size photo. You can courier us, then we will start your process. Once the process start, your sticker visa will be stick onto the passport. So there is one more benefit, because you are going to get the sticker visa of China. So it's not like e-visa. So it will help you in your travel history, brother. So it will be a sticker visa of China. Within 4-5 days, you will have your visa. Now let me take through about the pricing part. See, we just charge 23,500 rupees from any part of India. Like you stay in Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Agra, Kolkata, Bangalore. So don't worry at all. We do pan India, like all over the India. You can send us these documents. The office address is below, the number is below. You can discuss, call our team, free discussion, and only 23,500 INR. Everything is included, and the important part is not going to reject. It's going to be 100% approved visa from us. So if you want to apply, guys, the process is simple. The number is given below, address is given below. Call us, WhatsApp us. And guys, this was the video for China short visa. I hope you liked it. Press the like button if you liked it. If you are new in this channel, please press the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time,